How to use your UCard. How to view card details. Open your Apple or Google Wallet and tap the icon in the top right corner of your UCard to view your card details. When using your mobile UCard for exams, you can open your digital wallet to display your photo and name. Be sure to follow the instructor or invigilator's guidance on how to place your phone. How to make purchases with your UCard. Just tap to pay or perform a transaction, no need to unlock your phone. Apple or Google Wallet does not need the internet to function. Some Android phones may need to be awake to tap the card. Buy food using your meal plan, make purchases at the York University bookstore, and access campus services like the library, athletics, and secured buildings. View your UCard balance on your mobile UCard directly in your wallet, or view and add funds to your UCard via the eAccounts app or UCard website. You can also check your transactions history and freeze your card if it's lost or stolen. How to use your UCard for door access. If you need access to a secured space, please contact your department or the area responsible, as authorization may be required. Once access is granted, tap to use. If your tap function does not work, please reach out to the UCard office for troubleshooting. You now know how to use your UCard. Thanks for tuning in.